Hi guys, my name is Dan Spiller. I take care of the colour work within Mark Anthony, and today we're going to share with you a fantastic look working on a clean blonde palette. As you can see, this is the model before, where we were working with 3 inches of regrowth and some previously bleached ends. So we wanted to keep the integrity of the hair on the mid-length and ends, but also create a nice clean canvas for us to work our tonal palette. So guys, this is what we've used on Esme's hair to achieve the nice clean blonde. We've worked with Blonde Life Scalp Bleach, and we've utilised Lumishine's 20 vol 6% to achieve the lift. So once we've achieved a pale yellow blonde, we've utilised Lumishine to achieve our look. I used 5 vol 1.5 to deposit only. We've worked equal parts of clear 9MV and 9SB to create a nice clean canvas. So after we've achieved a nice clean blonde, we're working with our second toning application. I've worked with a dual application so we achieve a clean result, and I think it's essential to do 2 processes. So after we've worked with our initial toner, I have worked again with Lumishine, but what I've done is mixed 7SB and 9SB, and then on the mid-length I've worked 3 parts of 9V to 1 part 8RR. Throughout this we've utilised 5 vol 1.5 because once again we're only depositing. Before we apply any colour, what we're going to do is work with Defy Damage Pro Series 1. We're going to work nice clean bursts of spray throughout the hair, taking 1-inch sections to achieve that protection. Once we've applied our colour, we've utilised Defy Damage shampoo, and then after the colour process and after everything's been cleansed, we're going to work with Pro Series 2. Hi guys, so you can see we've worked with a nice clean blonde application where we've achieved a really nice clean canvas. So at this stage I'm going to share with you the full application of the final result. Let's get going. Right guys, so we've got our sectioning pattern for the colour. We're going to be working with 2 colours, so it's 2 areas that we're going to be colouring. We're going to be utilising the silver palette throughout the majority of the hair, so it's all the way through the back. And then I've taken a guide for this section, utilising the eyebrow as my guide, and I've done a crescent shape to the back of the ear, and then we're going to work that lavender sitting through, just to create a little bit more of an interest within a classic shape. So I'm going to be working through the back area first. I'm going to be working my root area, doing the outline shape of each section just so it's nice and neat and clean. I'm working from the bottom up of my section to ensure that we've got a nice clean finish. And this is going to be our smoky silver tone. Again, around the hairline, just using the edges of my brush to ensure that we get a nice professional finish. So we're just moving on to this top section, working with the same product, taking really clean sections, using my comb to ensure that we're working nice and methodically, almost working in a brickwork manner. So you can see I've just isolated with a bit of foil, and then we're going to work from bottom up through this front area. I'm still going to be working with the same mixture. So at this stage we're going to work with Formula 2. I'm going to be working in foil to isolate. And we're just going to work a lavender tone, and then everything will be brought onto this section. So we've come to the end of our application. As you can see, we've worked our nice crescent shape, working onto our foil to isolate. I've only secured on one side because it's only to give us some stability. We'll just let that sink for 20 minutes. As you can see, we've finished our development time. We've got the two different tones going through there, working seamlessly, even though we've worked a really block application.
As you can see, the final look with this beautiful graduation mixed with square layering, and then it's been complemented with this rich ash blonde and this violet slice through the fringe, which as you can see looks absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.